Was in the middle with Akbar Ali, and Akbar Ali won the toss, and Bangladesh A chose to field first. Arafat Minhas comes in his stead. And there are two changes. Abu Haider Roni and Jawad Abrar last time, led by Hemanta Boteju of Sri Lanka and Mahmood Khan of... When the tournament started out, there were certain talent. It's about who handles the pressure most. Bangladesh A, the first ever three-time champions. The crowd is expectant.
Good evening, everyone. May I kindly...
Concentration etched on the faces of the players. X6 degrees. How will the pitch behave? Let's find out with Salman Butt.
Where Pakistan Shaheens take on Bangladesh A in the final. First, more of a sides liking what to do. Pakistan were looking to bat.
Are high. This is that wicket that has seen a run fest throughout.
Across the world, a couple of changes for Bangladesh A. Mrityunjay Chaudhary, Arafat Minhas comes in, and the two openers making their way in the middle.
For Mas Sadakat, who got out for the first time in the tournament.
550s with the best of 96 that is scored in this tournament. As you mentioned, a new partner for Pakistan A in the 450s, 200, strike rate of 130. Bowled really well. Super over, been out. Will be a lot more on him today.
Who will be the champions of the DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars? On the money straight away, Ripon trying to steal a six. What a start that could be! And Yasir could be running all the way back to the duck.
Suck line. Vic that well, and that flick. Batter not even in the frame. Pakistan A lost their first. Bangladesh A picked their first. That's the sort of start Bangladesh A would have hoped for. And they got... Yasir departs.
Aye. Mohammad, he's been run out. In comes Mohammad Faiq in his 12th match of his T20. As Mas Sadakat.
That's the start Bangladesh A hopes. Quick call. Even quicker, Abdul Ghaffar. Oh, what a start. What a start. Fielding is the...
Irfan Khan Niazi. Perhaps nervy moments. His big appeal there by...
It was shading down the leg side. Power of Habibu, 202 runs with a strike rate of 187.
And suddenly, from minute one, and in fact the pressure boils even more.
Yeah, they needed that. Fielding has been outstanding. With the bat, not today so far. Wicket to put pressure.
Watchful out of this final.
Ayman Khan. Few officials in the middle, alongside Ripon Mondal. Never tried to do anything fancy so far.
Fielder there. Into the first. Abdul Ghaffar Saklain. Effort. Sends Yasir Khan back and Mehrob.
The all-rounder skids through to the batters.
Bowled him! And it spells trouble for the Shaheens. What's going on?
Pressure. What a start. What a start from this young man. And they'll have a check for the front foot. Length. The line. Outstanding. Faiq had no clue whatsoever. On for none.
In the tournament that Mehrob has been trusted with the new ball alongside. Already brings good jumps. Why?
That's pressure. That matters the most. Good throw might have been in the pressure of final. Whoever can hold their nerve.
He was the one who was solid against Sri Lanka A in his effort of 39. the other end.
It's going to be a different situation for someone. They need a partnership. They need some calmness in the middle. Pakistan A.
Yeah, this was the role he played because of this.
And Faik was undone. Just straight through. And the reaction.
Goes for the lowest boundary. Was targeting mid-wicket.
Yeah, not the most convincing way. Mas Sadakat, I'm sure the bowler won't mind seeing that shot. The idea was right, to put pressure on the bowler.
Fires it through. Bowler so far. At the end of 2, it's 10 for 2. A list A experience, your first class experience to the fore. Mas Sadakat. Rip on in for his second. Sting his defence.
He will surely hurt them. This was the first one. The Faik who played for the turn.
Totally undone. With the turn, there was none. Lucky, lucky boy. The 300th.
And they are having some at the moment. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure, won't mind keeping his line.
Ripon
To do anything extra. He banks on his strength, which is banging 9 unbeaten. Strike rate of 103 is
There is a second slip. Bangladesh A are on top right now. Aggressive captaincy.
Yeah, and the bowlers are responding in place. And more importantly, Ripon Mondal is not greedy.
Pulls away, square leg in place. One bounce.
Yeah, the plan was right. Ghazi Gori managed to keep it down the ground. We're into the Mondal. Started from where he left in the semi-finals.
Gotten. I've almost lost my voice. Takes him on. Not the sweetest of connections. Your namesake Maz is now the leading scorer of the tournament.
Sheet 239. Obviously, Habibur Rahman Chauhan yet to bat. Wickets and under a bit of pressure. Here comes Mehrab.
Beats the bat. God.
Completely misjudged that one.
A little half tracker. All.
There was a fielder at short square leg. It was in the Gori. Taken that chance. Not too far away from that fielder.